Hi guys, so this time you will notice that these have a negative here. See this? So when we have a positive product but a negative sum, it means that both of our numbers need to be negative, because a negative times a negative makes a positive, but a negative take a negative pulls us further into the negatives. So always our answer is going to be x negative something and then x negative something. So they both have to be negative numbers. So, 7's a prime number. Beautiful. Let's make 7. Negative 7 times by negative 1. Can't make it any other way. It's prime. So, there are numbers. Let's pop them in. Negative 7 and negative 1. Negative 7 take 1 is negative 8. Beautiful. How easy was that? So, here we are again. We have got a positive number here, but a negative here, which means we need 2 negatives. So let's get our brackets ready for them. Let's make 42. Negative 42 times negative 1. Negative 21 times negative 2. Negative 14 times negative 3. Negative 7 times negative 6. So, negative 42 take 1, negative 43, nope. Negative 21 take 2, negative 23, no. Negative 14 take 3 is negative 17, no. Negative 7 take 6, there it is. So, 7 and 6, easy.